Hey guys, can you recall emails outside your organization in Outlook? No. Outlook's recall feature only works when both sender and recipient are within the same Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 organization. Recall will not work if you've sent emails to someone outside your organization, such as Gmail, Yahoo, or a different company email address. Here's an alternative. Set up a delay on your emails in Outlook. Number 1, open Microsoft Outlook. Launch your Outlook desktop app. Number 2, access rules and alert settings. Go to File tab in the top left. Click Manage Rules and Alerts. Number 3, click on New Rule. Under Start from a blank rule, select Apply Rule on message I sent and click Next. Number 4, choose Delay option. In the Select Conditions list, leave it unchecked and click Next. This will apply to all outgoing emails. In the text screen, check the option Defer delivery by a number of minutes. Number 5, set the delay time. Click the underline in the edit box. Set the delay time in minutes. Usually 1 to 5 minutes is ideal. Click OK. Number 6, finish the rule setup. Click Next. Set exceptions if you need any. This is optional. Name your rule. Example, delay send. Click Finish. Number 7, click Apply and OK to save the rule. How this works? Now, any email you send will sit in your outbox for the set delay time, which is 1 to 5 minutes. You can still go to your outbox and edit or delete the email if needed before it's actually sent. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.